There is nothing worse than spending hours crafting a beautiful email only for you to send it out and get a 12% open rate. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel where you learn how to grow your business with email marketing. My name is Jasper. I'm an email marketer and the co-founder of Grab Digital at grabdigital.co. Now today I want to talk to you about open rates. Email open rates. They can be a little bit tricky, but they're too important of a metric to be overlooked for your business. They're important for a couple of reasons. First is that they're an indicator of your customer satisfaction, your rapport that you're building. Are people interested in what you have to say? And number two, of course, is the revenue aspect. The more people who see your emails, the more likely that they are going to convert and the more revenue that you're going to be getting for your business. And thirdly, having a high open rate will increase your email deliverability and sender score. And you're going to find yourself landing in your users' inboxes more than their promotions tab or spam folders. If your average email open rates are dipping below 20% and you want them above 20% and ideally toward the 25 to 30% range, that's where I like to keep mine, and I want to share with you my 7 tips to help you increase your open rates to that point. And just as a note, I don't encourage you to do clickbait titles or spammy headlines that will increase users short term. These are honest tactics that I use to keep my clients' email open rates well above the 20% range. Number 1, look at your customer journey. Where in the buying journey are your customers and what emails are they receiving? So for example, if your customer has never purchased from you, you wouldn't want to send them a loyalty discount email. You want to make sure that you're forging a path for them so they can receive emails that they're expecting. So a good example of this is in the welcome series. At the end of each welcome email, I like to put a little PS or a reminder telling the customer, hey, be sure to look out for our next email where I'm going to share a blog post with you on how to do X and Y. And then at the end of the next email, I'll say, hey, we have a reward coming for you in the next email, so keep an eye out. And you continually craft this story based on that specific customer journey. And as they open each email, and as you continue rewarding them for each time that they open the email, your open rates will increase over time. And they will get conditioned to really look forward to your emails. And doing that requires a lot of setting up expectations and delivering on them. I know it's a little bit abstract, but just keep it in the back of your mind as you continue crafting emails, and you will start to see results over time. All right, number 2, sort your list into active and semi-active and unengaged. In Klaviyo, for example, you can set a condition which finds users that have clicked or opened an email in the past 30 days, and then users that have clicked maybe in the last 90 days, and then users that have not clicked past 90 days. So you're going to want to segment these users into a couple different conditions based on maybe your intuition or do some research on how active your customers are. And you're going to send specific emails to the very highly engaged users and then set a different set of emails to the semi-engaged users. And for the unengaged users, you're going to do something called list cleaning, which I will discuss in a later video. But essentially, you want to keep the health of your email and your deliverability high by not sending to people who don't care to receive your emails. Nobody will open an email that they're not interested in, and they're going to delete you and spam you, so it's better to not send to them at all. So those numbers that I listed earlier, the 30 and 90 days, those are general numbers that you can use for your business, but I suggest that you check it out and don't send emails to users that are definitely unengaged. Number 3, send your emails at the best time. You wouldn't want to be sending your emails at 2 a.m. unless that's when your customers are most active. So as you continue sending emails, just keep an eye out for what time of the day that your customers are most active. And I know it takes a lot of email sends. Some email software platforms will allow you to check out which time of day that your users are most active. And it's typically easier if you have thousands of users. But generally speaking, you're going to want to send during the day at the consistent time every single time, because that's when your users are going to expect your emails, and you set up this conditioned response. Once again, it's about consistency and delivering on time every single time. Down below, I'm going to link some research on the best time to send an email in general, but it varies per business, so take some time and find it out for yourself. 4, ask your users to put your emails in their primary inbox. The most common email service provider is Gmail, and they segment these emails based on whether they think it's a promotion or an update or some other form of marketing email, and it's not going to go into the user's primary tab. So in order to do that, you should specifically ask your customers in an email, either with a GIF or a picture, explaining to them what they should do to drag your email into their primary inbox. Now, other email service providers like Yahoo and Outlook, they have their different version of the promotions tab or junk folder, but still the same concept applies. You should ask them to set you as either a friend or somebody who is a trusted sender. Number 5, optimize your images. By optimize, I mean compress your images. And you can do this by following the link that I put down below, or just typing in Google image optimizer and upload the image that you want to put into the email, and then it's going to compress the photo size into something much smaller. Then you go ahead and upload that into your email. And this accomplishes 2 things. Number 1, your users' emails will load much more quickly. They're going to be much happier because the emails load instantaneously. And second is that some email softwares don't register open rates as actual open rates until all the email's images have loaded. So unless the whole email loaded, it's not going to count as an open. And so many times that might hurt your open score, or what seems like your open score. Number 6, use recognizable subject lines. In your user's inbox, you're going to be competing with a bunch of other brands that also are vying for their attention. So it is up to you to create a consistent way, maybe a branding, maybe you use the same emojis or the same type of question in every single headline. You should be immediately recognizable, not just from the sender name, but from the subject line that you craft. So once again, this does relate to consistency and delivering on your users' expectations. And over time, you're going to be able to nail down exactly what type of subject line you like to use. But for now, just keep that in mind as you continue to craft your subject lines. You want them to be consistent and recognizable. And lastly, number 7, take a moment to understand how your email preview text works. It looks something like this. It is the text that your user will see before they click into the email, and it goes right after the subject line. Preview line best practices is to keep it between 50 and 100 characters long. Any longer and your user's mobile devices might just cut it off and they won't be able to read what the contents of the email are. And this preview line is supposed to provide a little bit of insight into what the email's about, why the user should be interested, or some interesting tidbit of information that will lead them to click into the email. So in summary, focus on your customer journey, send to active and engaged subscribers and segment out the unengaged subscribers, send at the right time, ask your users to put your emails in their primary folder, optimize your images, use recognizable subject lines, and understand how email preview lines work, and keep it under 100 characters if possible. Growing a more profitable business with email is simple, but it takes time. And if you want to continue growing with me, I'll share weekly tips on how to help your business grow with email marketing. So click that subscribe button and the notification bell, and I'll be releasing weekly videos on email best practices. And once again, thanks for watching. If you have any suggestions of what you'd like to see in the next video, let me know down below. Any questions, let me know. Until then, I'll see you guys next week. Bye-bye.